Today, we're installing the open road truck cap on a Jeep Gladiator. Let's walk through it. Start by laying out every panel, bracket, and hardware. Sort and install the weather seals so the cap stays watertight. Next, loosely assemble the front panel, side panels, and roof. Keep all bolts finger tight so the frame can flex during alignment. Install the bed clamps, front, middle, and rear on each side. Snug them down, but don't fully tighten until alignment is perfect. Once everything lines up cleanly, tighten all clamps and hardware. Then seal the inside seams and bed rails to keep out water and dust. Finish by adjusting the rear door and side wings so they close smoothly and seal evenly. And that's it. Your open road cap is installed, aligned, sealed, and ready for the road. Follow for more Gladiator builds and upgrades.